is stuck. This is not a good sign. This is not good. Not very nice.
Maybe that is either 11 or 10 millimeter. I'm not sure.
No, the size is okay. The bolt
Oh,
is stuck. So when it's stuck,
okay.
it's not good because if I put too much pressure,
Yeah.
it's gonna cut the bolt.
Yeah.